So this is question number 8 of Kcse Mathematics paper 1 2023. From a point on top of a cliff 40 meters high, two boats A and B are observed due east. The angle of depression of boat A is 32 and that of B is 52. Determine the distance between the two boats correct to 2 decimal places. So it is important here to know the angle of depression. That is what will make you get that question. So we can make a sketch here of that is a cliff, and the cliff is 40 meters. The cliff is 40 meters high. So this is the top. So it means that since if you draw a vertical line there, let's use a ruler here, or use a straight line. So that angle is any angle below this line, green line, is the angle of depression, and therefore we can say the angle of depression of boat A is 32 degrees. So if we plot a line here, we can say this is the angle of depression of boat A. So actually our boat A is there. Then we can again draw a line here. Can draw a line here and say this we can use a black one. So we can say that is the position of B, boat B, and actually now the total of this angle here is 52 degrees. So that is how you should understand the angle of depression. So the distance that we are interested in is that distance x from boat A to boat B. Now with this information we can use the trig ratios to get that. Now if you look at the angle of depression of boat B, since this line is parallel to this one, so this is a transversal, so it means that angle here is also 52. And also this angle here is 32 degrees. So we can use that information. So we can say if this is y, then we can use the trig ratios to get the length of B, that we say this is the origin, OB, and we get OA, then we will be able to get the difference and get the distance between A and B. So we can say, we can use a tangent. We say tangent of angle 52 is opposite, which is 40, divided by the adjacent, which we have said it is y. So we can say our y is equal to, we say it is 40 divided by, we cross multiply the tangent of 52 degrees. So that will give us what? When you use your calculator, you get it is at 1.25. So the distance OB is at 1.25, and this is in meters. From there, we also now get the length OA. OA, so we say tan 32 is equals to opposite, which is 40, divided by the adjacent. Now in this case it is x plus y. So we say x plus y. Let's correct here. We say this is x plus y. X plus y, the distance from O to A, is equals to 40 divided by the tangent of 32. Now when you work out that, you get it is equals to 64.01 meters. But we already know the length of y, so you can say x is equals to now 64.01 minus the distance from O to B, which is at 2.76, and using your calculator you get this is equals to 32.76, and this is in meters. So that's how you work out that, and you should be able to get 4 marks. So the important thing is to understand the angle of depression, which you learned in Form 2. Angle of depression, angle of elevation. That is very important. With that, and then you should understand the trig ratios. Tangent is equals to opposite over adjacent. Sine is equals to opposite over hypotenuse. Cosine is equals to opposite, sine is equals to adjacent over hypotenuse. That information is very important, and it should guide you or help you be able to solve this kind of a question.